Hello friends. So today I'm going to unbox a new product. Right, new product is not a product; it's a food. But for the food, we are always think about the product, something else, and also all together. And this is the thing that today we are going to unbox the product of organic peanut butter from Alpino. I'm having this product for almost 2 years, and I'm very much satisfied with the product, and that is why thought this particular experience I need to share all of you guys so that you will get benefited, right? So for the peanut, okay, so it's a peanut butter. It's a peanut butter is coming out of peanut, right? So let's come to the peanut, then we'll come to peanut butter, and then come to Alpino product, and then we can conclude all together. Okay. So for the peanut, we all know in peanut in English and in Hindi you can say mumphali, and in Bengali you can say badam or china badam, whatever. So all are group of is a group of legumes. Okay. So let's start with peanut. Peanut is, you can say, peanut is complete food. Most rumors are spreading all over the world that peanut is not good for health. Is not good for heart. It's raising cholesterol. Lot of gimmicks are there, are all wrong. And I don't know who are spreading those nonsense things, but peanut is almost, you can say, complete food. Why I'm telling, I can come to the point, then you can get the point why I'm prefer peanut butter, peanut or peanut butter all the time. If you have nothing to have, taking any food at the time, or you are thinking about for some fast food to have, you should prefer peanut or peanut butter. Why peanut is so good? Because for the peanut, let's come to the peanut for the nutrition fact of peanut, then I come to the peanut info, that benefit for our health, and thereafter I'll go show some altogether information for the peanut butter. Let's come to peanut. For 100 gram of peanut, if you take peanut as a raw form, so peanut, if you soak it for 8 hours, for peanut it will be far better, because some bad nutrient will goes away. But as a peanut, 100 grams will provide you a complete food balance of carbohydrate of 16 gram. Within the 16 gram of carbohydrate, you will have 9 gram of fiber, and 4 gram of sugar. This is natural sugar, not a added sugar that every food has. Okay, so as same as in peanut also, and also it doesn't contain any cholesterol. Okay, if you have in extra, if you take peanut or extra amount, doesn't have a problem of any for your cholesterol health. It doesn't affect your cholesterol level also. So it's not good for, it's safe for your heart. Whoever thinking about the cholesterol problem, peanut will not raise your cholesterol level. And it contain almost 26 to 30 gram. Some places 30 gram, some places 26 gram, around 20 to 27, 20 to 60 and 30 gram of protein. So we know that protein is good for health, right? And we are searching protein for every food. If you compare protein content of this peanut, is pretty high, similar like soya, similar like dal. So even similar like chicken. If you have in chicken breast, and 100 gram of chicken breast provide you 29 gram of protein around, or 30 gram protein. So peanut also provide you also 26 to 30 gram protein. So why not peanut? Okay, also tasty one. You can add peanut and peanut butter with any food. And the specialty of why we are thinking is not good, because it's in a rumor, because as a nutrition fact is showing almost 50% of 100 gram having the fat. But no one think about what are the fat within this particular peanut has almost 40 gram of unsaturated poly and mono unsaturated fat, which is good for your health. Only 7 gram saturated fat. See, in 100 gram of peanut, you will get only 7 gram of saturated fat. If you take 100 gram of peanut per regularly, then you will get 30 gram of protein and only 7 gram of saturated fat. Even if you compare with chicken, it's pretty high saturated fat also there. Even mutton, even egg also. Why not peanut? Also is lot of benefits because it has a lot of minerals and vitamins also. But no one think about those things. First of all, peanut is a rich source of vitamin E. If you take 100 gram of peanut, you will get almost 49% of RDA recommended vitamin E regularly, and along with vitamin B3, B6, folate, magnesium, manganese, copper, which are very essential for your health, are all are there in a peanut. So that is why I prefer peanut. Whenever you have nothing to have, peanut is the best choice to have take that time. Along with this thing, so for let's come to the nutrition. Let's come to the all the benefits that peanut has for individuals nutrition. Like it has procumeric acid, so it is a potent antioxidant, okay, that help you to fight with the odd event situations for your health. And it's a very good source of resveratrol. Resveratrol is good for your for preventing cancer and cancerous or heart disease. So means peanut prevent cancer, prevent also the heart disease. So peanut is better to have anytime in anywhere. Also it has isoflavone, means it's a phytonutrient. Phytonutrient to help, it's a phytonutrient means nutrient from plant that help to prevent the virus and bacterial activity or slow down the process. So it's along with this, it also contain phytosterol. Why phytosterol is important? Once you having any food contain cholesterol, right? Any food. So it may be small amount, it may be larger amount. But once you mix your peanut or peanut butter with that food, that peanut will restrict to absorb that cholesterol from your food. That means if someone has a problem of cholesterol, they should take peanut with or peanut butter for with every food, that prevent the cholesterol absorption. Along with this thing, that means that means you got all the point that why peanut is so good for your health. Even I told you, we mentioned few minutes ago, it's a richest source of biotin. Richest source of biotin means it help to help your skin to glow, and help your hair and nail to be strengthened. Along with the copper, it contains the copper. We all know copper is good for your heart health. Even it is help to even for joint health. Along with your immunity system, copper is a good thing. It has niacin, it's called vitamin B3. It's a good for your heart health. Along with it had folate is essential for pregnant ladies. So means for pregnancy period time, that if someone have some peanut or peanut butter, that help them for a healthy baby. It contain magnesium. Okay, magnesium is good. Magnesium and it contain magnesium and manganese. Magnesium manganese good for your bone health. Along with it help for vitamin D and vitamin D and calcium to be absorbed properly. Along with the I told mention you, vitamin E also is contained. It's a heavy in even because of fat soluble vitamin E. That is why in the particular fat is help to absorb quickly in our system. So it has phosphorus also. Phosphorus also for maintaining and growing for the body tissue. So it contains that thiamine, that we call it B1. So vitamin B1. So it for your muscle, nerve and heart system. Okay, so lots of benefits are there for peanut. Regular intake of peanut can trigger your weight loss. Regular intake of peanut can reduce your diabetic problem or issues. Even if you take regular peanut early morning, peanut or peanut butter early morning, that help for your heart health. Okay, and also because of some lots of lots of antioxidant, it helps for your body to prevent from the viral and infectious diseases that may make you sick or weaker. So peanut is almost a complete food. Why I'm telling almost complete food? Why not complete food? As far as protein concern, some protein amount are pretty less. That is why I'm telling this point. But as a 9 essential amino acid, all 9 essential amino acids are available in the peanut. So that is why you can say almost complete. But some because of some amounts are not pretty hard, like whey protein or milk protein, or because it's a legume, so legumes group. That is why some amino acids may less, but almost it serve you almost for full daily requirement of protein. If you take 100 gram of protein, 100 gram of this particular peanut or peanut butter, you will almost get 50% RDA recommended protein daily. So why not peanut? Why not peanut butter? So that is why I prefer peanut. Even when I go for the vacation long trip, then I carry peanut and peanut butter with me, because it help me to get my belly full. Along with it's give us a satiety. It's not it help me to prevent my hunger. Okay, so lots of benefits are there. Okay, as a product is pretty good, so we all can have peanut. And why I'm telling the peanut butter? Okay, peanut butter is why, because it's quite easy to have with any food. You can add in any food. Raw peanut you cannot add any food. Quite hard, because you need to grind that thing, then you can mix. But peanut butter you can add with any food. And why I'm telling this particular company? Because this company provide organic peanut butter. All know I prefer always organic product. Okay, so organic product always help you to get the maximum benefit out of it. So this is a peanut butter from Alpino company, and because I'm having this particular product for long term, that is why I'm showing this particular product. If you have any other product, you can have the product. But before buying the product, you need to know why I choose this particular product. Because of organic, one point. Another one, come to the nutrition fact. So nutrition fact is, see, ingredient only roasted organic peanut, nothing else. So you should check that nothing else, no other ingredient should be there, only organic peanut butter. Okay, and in the nutrition fact, if you come to whatever I mentioned, because a lot of things I mentioned, it's quite hard to mention all the nutrition fact here, but it's majorly mentioned the major points here. So one serving is 32 gram, and for the let's talk to one serving. One serving give you 10 gram of protein. If you take 3 serving, 100 gram, will give you 30 gram of protein. Okay, and only it will give you on 100 gram, it will give you 20 gram of carbohydrate. I told you 50% of fat. It's mentioned here 49 gram of fat here. Also see, cholesterol is 0, and sodium is moderate level. So even if you see here, saturated fat only 8 gram in normal humans, for who are not doing any extra curriculums like doing exercise or walking, all the things, they can have maximum 15 gram of saturated fat daily. If you do some activity like yoga exercise or morning workout or gym activities, then you should take more than 15 to 25 gram daily saturated fat. So for that scenario, 28 gram of saturated fat for 100 gram of serving, 30 gram with proteins is very good combination, because saturated fat is important for your health. Sometimes like it help for your hormone to regulate properly, along with for some body function we need saturated fat, even for liver also we need saturated fat. So it's a pretty good combination. So better when we are going for purchase this particular product, so you should check the nutrition fact and the ingredient. Always you should check ingredients. See, even mention here no hydrogenated oil. Why I'm telling this means oil are synthetically made and those are cancerous. Even if don't have added sugar, no added salt, so no trans fat is there. This is the point you should check properly. Otherwise you may take wrong product or may harm your health. So this is the product why I think you got all the point why I prefer peanut, why I prefer peanut butter, and why I prefer this particular company for long term, and also why this is a pretty good choice for my side, because they are providing a always recent product. I purchased this particular product 4 days ago, for 4 days ago I think. Okay, and see the manufacturing date is mentioned 1st April 2021. So this is the trust they get from my side. Even for the price, it's 1 kg of pack. See here mentioned 1 kg of pack, unsweetened pack, and this 1 kg of pack cost you 499. Okay, 499 is cost too, but I purchased this product on 350 because of some promotions are available there. You can check on the website of Alpino, buy from there. Okay, even you can check on Flipkart, Amazon, whatever, because at the early time I bought this particular product from Flipkart. Then after I take the product always from the company itself, because they are providing much more discount while purchasing. Let's see how the product looks like from inside. So it's already sealed. I didn't open the seal yet because of you guys. Let's open the seal. Okay, so open, and so it's mentioned some batch number here, mentioning date, and also nothing else, right? And also mentioned there, so how to create some recipes. You can add with any thing like smoothies or any flavor food for early morning. If you even you can take early morning, because early morning taking some heavy food is better for your health. So you can take like I do. Okay, let's open this thing. Okay, it's pretty good seal. Okay, let me open. Let's see if I open it properly or not. Yes, see, this is the product. Let me taste it. Okay, because nothing extracted from here, natural peanut, the taste of peanut and peanut butter almost the same. So why I prefer, you are getting the point, right? Let me open one by one. Okay, so let's open this one. I'm having this thing, so I don't want to waste anything out of it, because it's so tasty. Okay, see, is almost open. Okay, done. So let's see friends, how see the lubricacy of the product, because it doesn't have any extra added things, all natural peanut butter. See, it's not condensed, almost same like butter, liquid butter. So this type of things you should consume. See the thickness of the product. This is called peanut butter, and this is the product you should have, and this is my choice. Let's try this product. Send your opinion to me. So or if you want to ask any question, ask me, or you can call me on the mobile number in mentioned below. So even I can answer whatever your query over there. Let's taste